Welcome back to Uptime.com and to our overview of the API check. The API check is an advanced check type and can be configured at intervals ranging from 1 minute to 60 minutes. To get started, let's navigate to the main checks page by clicking Monitoring, then Add Check, and then select API from the drop-down option. You'll notice that our API check has the same tabs as our basic check types like HTTPS. Here, add the name, contacts, the check interval, any necessary tags, as well as the locations. Think of an API check as a series of HTTPS requests that monitor APIs such as SOAP or REST. The Uptime.com API check is easy to configure, and by selecting the Check Steps option, and then the Add Step button, this will present the commands, variables, and validations that can be used on the check. Let's set up a check to retrieve a value from one endpoint, encode it as a variable, and use it to validate data from other endpoints. Click the Add Step button again to begin configuring your check. The first step we will add is a command. Select Get from the command list. For this configuration, we will use httpbin.org/JSON as an example, and we will add the URL in this step. Step 2 is to add a validation to confirm that the status code returned is OK200. Now we will set a variable from our response body. We will set the variable name title from the selector slideshow slides. Our next step is to add a post command for the value stored in our variable title to HTTP bin and another validation to verify the response contains data. A further validation step will confirm that our selector data's response value matches our variable title. Note the formatting. We have surrounded the value title with $signs. After this, we can add a final command step to post to a new URL. And lastly, validate that our response contains the value we retrieved from our selector. We can test to ensure the success of our configuration using the Run Test button, and then click Save to activate our check. In this example, we have checked 3 different endpoints and used a variety of validations to define and verify our responses. This completes our coverage of our overview of the API check. For more information, check out the rest of our video library or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com.